In this quick video, I want to show you how to pair or reset a new Roku remote control or a remote control that stopped working. Now, like I said, this is a Roku Ultra LT, but this technique will actually work with the older models. So some of them have a pairing button on the very back and some don't. The Ultra does have a pairing button. So let's go first with that one. So first thing you want to do is just unplug your Ultra from the TV, from the power cord. Okay, so we're unplugging it and we're going to leave it unplugged for about 2 minutes. And I don't care if you got used batteries or new batteries, of course verify that your batteries are working. But let's go ahead and keep the batteries unplugged or out of the remote for a good 3 minutes as well. After 3 minutes, let's go ahead and put a fresh set of batteries in. Of course, the Roku uses AA batteries, which are the thicker ones. And we'll go ahead and plug in the Roku back to the power, and then we're going to turn it back on. Now what we're going to do is on the back here it has the powering button. That's the powering button right there. This is going to help pair your new Roku remote to the Roku Ultra. So what you're going to do is hold down the button, the pairing button, for at least 10 seconds. As you hold down and you're pointing directly at the Roku. So I'm holding down for 10 seconds and I'm not letting go. And then you'll see it's pairing when the green light comes on. See that? So then you know it's pairing. Now, if you have an older Roku remote that does not have a pairing button, you do everything that I showed you in the beginning. You take the batteries out of the remote, you unplug from the Roku device, unplug the power for a good 5 minutes. You keep the batteries out for 5 minutes, and then you put everything back in, and then you plug the Roku device back on, and it should start pairing with your remote. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.